Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're going to teach you Python.
So today I'm going to show you how to make the aliens_books game. So first we have 4 variables: aliens, books, score, and spells. So aliens is 6, books is 10, score is 111, and spells is 6. So first we have if. If books is more than aliens, print overpowering magic books. So books are basically our magic books which help us defeat the aliens. So right now books is more than aliens, which is 10 over 6. So we're gonna run. So it says overpowering magic books.
Let's see what happened if we change the 10 to a 5.
Okay. Now I'm gonna run it again. So nothing happens because books is less than aliens. For it to print overpowering magic books, we need books to be more than aliens. Okay. So next we have books equals 4, so we restate the variable books from 10 to 4. If score is more than 110 and books is more or equals to 4, then it will print past level. So our score is 111, which is more than 110, and books is more or equal to 4, so books is 4, so
which is equal to,
yeah, it'll print past level. So we're going to run it again. So it says overpowering magic books, because over here we did not restate the books variable yet. So over here books is still 10. So it also says past level. Okay. So next we're going to do if spells is more than 5, it'll print you gained the title protector. So it's like an achievement in a game. So
like you get to earn a title and those you achieve it and then you get to name or stuff like that.
So if spells is more than 5, it'll print you gain the title protector. So here we have 6 spells. So it's like spells are things you collect along the adventure so you can gain achievements. Okay, I'm gonna run it again.
Like it's XP.
Yeah, okay. Now we also have you gained the title protector. Okay, that's a big achievement. Okay, so next we have game over equals false. So it's a variable. So if game over equals true, it'll print game over. Else it'll print play on. So right now we have game over equals false. So it'll run the else, print play on. So now it says play on. So you still have lies left. So if we turn it to true, okay, it's gonna run the if, so it's game over. So you restart. You restart or go to a save point. Okay. Finally, we have aliens equals 2. So we rename it from aliens equals 6 in the beginning of the program to aliens equals 2. So now we defeated 4 aliens with our overpowering magic books. So if aliens is more than 1, it will print spooky if there's still aliens left. Else if aliens is more than 0, which can be only 1, because if you do 2, that is more than 1, so it'll just print spooky. It won't go on to the else if or the else. So if the else can only be run if your aliens variable has the value of 1. If there's only 1 more alien, it'll print get that alien, because then you will pass the level. Well, this is the final level. If you have 0 aliens, so you defeat all the aliens, it'll go to else, print congrats.
So I'm a master. Congrats.
Yeah, you're a pro gamer, so you finished the level. Okay. So first we have aliens equals 2. So print spooky.
Because the variable is right now 2.
Which is greater than 1. So if we do 1, which is should 1 the else if.
Get that alien.
Get that alien. Okay, so if we use our magic books again, or use our spells, we'll get the aliens down to 0.
Now, congrats.
Yay!
0.
We finished the game.
To the next level. And then you continue on the game, changing the variables.
Yeah, okay. Well, that was fun. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.